Did you know? The immortal jellyfish might never die of old age. What if there was an animal that could grow old, become young again, and repeat the process over and over? Sounds like something from science fiction, but this creature actually exists. Meet the immortal jellyfish, one of the most fascinating animals on Earth. The immortal jellyfish is a tiny species of jellyfish called Turritopsis dohrnii. It is so small that it can fit on the tip of your finger, measuring only about 4.5 millimeters across. But despite its tiny size, it possesses a remarkable ability that no other known animal has. Most animals follow a simple life cycle. They are born, grow up, reproduce, age, and eventually die. The immortal jellyfish follows the same path, until something goes wrong. When this jellyfish is injured, starving, sick, or exposed to environmental stress, it activates a unique survival mechanism. Instead of dying, it can reverse its development and transform back into an earlier stage of life known as a polyp. A polyp is essentially the jellyfish version of childhood. Once it reaches this stage, it begins growing all over again, eventually becoming a new adult jellyfish. Imagine if a 90-year-old human could suddenly turn back into a child and start life over. That's essentially what this jellyfish does. Scientists call this process transdifferentiation. During this process, the jellyfish's cells change from one type into another. Muscle cells can become different kinds of cells, allowing the animal to completely rebuild its body. Because it can repeatedly reset its life cycle, the immortal jellyfish is considered biologically immortal. This means it may be able to avoid death caused by aging. However, don't let the name fool you. The immortal jellyfish is not truly invincible. Did you know that a creature smaller than your fingernail might hold secrets that could help scientists better understand aging itself? Nature never stops surprising us. It can still be eaten by fish, sea turtles, sea slugs, and other marine predators. Can also die from disease or environmental hazards. Its immortality only protects it from aging itself. Scientists are incredibly interested in this tiny creature because it challenges everything we know about aging and life expectancy. Researchers hope that studying the immortal jellyfish could reveal important clues about how cells repair themselves, regenerate damaged tissues, and perhaps even slow down aging in other animals. While humans are nowhere near discovering a way to reverse aging like the immortal jellyfish, this remarkable creature provides a glimpse into possibilities that once seemed impossible. Even more amazing, the immortal jellyfish doesn't just perform this trick once. It can repeat the process multiple times throughout its life whenever conditions become dangerous. Originally discovered in the Mediterranean Sea, these jellyfish have now spread throughout many oceans around the world, often traveling unnoticed in ships' ballast water. So the next time you think about the oldest living creatures on Earth, remember this tiny jellyfish. It may not be the biggest or strongest animal in the ocean, but it has one of the most extraordinary abilities ever discovered. If you enjoyed this fact, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Did You Know Daily for more amazing discoveries from the natural world.